Hey guys, happy Friday. If you are watching this video, that means you have finished up all the assignments for this week. Again, this video is to explain what you guys are going to be doing today. It is Friday and we do have a few students that have not finished their MAP MAP test. We have a few students that have not finished the spiral review from Unit 1 and 2 for multiple step equations and all operations. We have a few students that have not finished up assignments just for this week. So if you are watching this video, today you have some slides and they're like centers for reviewing decimals only through the hundredth place. And again, we're not going up into the thousandth place yet. I just want to make sure that all of you are remembering what you learned last year through the hundredth place, and follow along and listen as we go. So today you are just practicing decimals through the hundredth place. You don't have to add any notes or anything like that. The first one is you're going to click and drag the labels to the correct places. Oops. And remember, you have to be on the edit screen to do that. Click and drag the names to the correct places for their home. And then there's a math journal where you read the question, explain the difference between the values of each of the nines in your answer below. You would have to type in your answer. This next one is where you can click and roll and create numbers, and then it tells you to create numbers using place values. So you have to read and answer. The next one is moving your digits around to create the expression that they're asking you for. So you're clicking and you're moving around the digits. This one is you're telling me the value of the digits that are here. So you have 16 and 84 hundredths. You're looking for the 6. It's in the ones place. So you would click and drag that example into the correct box. This one says word form, so you're typing these numbers in words. So if you can say it, you can write it. Again, 7 and 59 hundredths is your example for A. You would type it in words. B reads 43 and 73 hundredths, so you would type that in words, and so on all the way through. And that is it. Those are the only slides that you have to do today. If you get finished with them, click turn in, and then you are more than free to play some of the games that I have attached also. But if not, you have a wonderful weekend and great job on getting everything finished. And I will see y'all on Monday.